Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to look at a short IELTS reading passage and break down how to find the correct answers for summary completion questions. We will be using no more than two words from the passage. Let's go step by step and explain why each answer fits perfectly. So first step is to read the passage together. Theorists and researchers differ when trying to explain why experts are less accurate forecasters than statistical models. Remember one thing, obviously we will check out the question first. So we need to find out which passage has answer. So here, cognitive dash to forecast, the word forecast. In the passage, synonyms of forecast may use. Remember one thing, right? So you can find out the word cognitive and after the blank, two is there. So which one is the right answer? So let's read this passage first. Theorists and researchers differ when trying to explain why experts are less accurate forecasters than statistical models. Some have argued that experts, like all humans, are inconsistent when using mental models to make predictions. Mental models to make predictions, right? Mental models is a type of cognitive tool, and the summary sentence is paraphrasing that line. So the correct answer is models, right? So cognitive models to forecast, and after models, two is here. So we are deadly sure models will come here. Moving next, a number of researchers point to human biases, right? So what is next? Researchers believe it is due to dash. After two, there is a blank, and here after two, human biases is there. So correct answer is human biases. To explain unreliable expert prediction, researchers believe it is due to human biases. However, attempting endeavor of finding answer did not yet produce dash. All good. During the last 30 years, researchers have categorized, experimented, and theorized about the cognitive aspects. So you can see cognitive word is also there, aspects of forecasting. So when you will compare these three or four words with questions, you can see cognitive is there, all good, cognitive is there. And you may think aspects will be the right answer. Cognitive aspects to forecast. No. So you have to check after the blank as well. Which one is the suitable one? So if I am putting models two, then that's okay. And after two, make predictions. Prediction means forecast. And here, cognitive aspects of forecasting. Yes, forecasting is there. That's okay. But what about of? Here we are not talking about of. Here we are talking about to. So answer will be models. That's really confusing question. However, attempting endeavor of finding answers did not yet produce what they can produce. Despite such efforts, the literature shows little consensus regarding the causes of manifestations of human bias. So this means after all that research, people still don't agree. There is no clear answer. The word consensus means